Weight loss. Drinking water. Drinking water to lose weight fast. You absolutely need to be drinking water if you want to lose weight. You should drink 8 glasses of water per day if you can. Water intake can actually increase your basal metabolic rate by promoting a positive thermogenic reaction. This means that your body has enough moisture to perform all of its functions, including digesting food and repairing tissues. It can even store fat more efficiently. The weight loss benefits of drinking water to lose weight fast lies in its ability to flush out excess fats in the body. The process is known as dehydration. In other words, the body loses water and other fluids when you don't consume enough. But when you drink lots of water, your body rehydrates itself naturally. This helps you lose weight faster than you could have ever done by taking weight loss supplements alone. Water is essential for our overall health and well-being. If we didn't drink enough water, we would quickly become weak, dizzy, and sick. Drinking too much water can be helpful to our health in other ways, as well. For example, if you lose water weight, it can help you lose more weight since you won't be dehydrated. And when you lose weight, you will look great. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Also, see our other videos on this topic of the best healthy water benefits.
Today is gonna be a little something more. I've got a plan in mind, a special thing in store. The light bulb inside my head says, get out and play, 'cause you never feel this way. It's my lucky day, it's my lucky day. It's my lucky day, my lucky day. Don't need a pot of gold or rabbits.
Now back to our video. You don't have to stop drinking water if you want to lose weight. Reduce your intake of fats, sugars, and salt. You should eliminate processed foods as much as possible. You should avoid processed foods. However, if you cannot, it is best to eat them in small amounts, so they don't become too overwhelming. Healthy eating habits will make it easier to lose weight. Drinking water to lose weight not only increases your energy expenditure but also boosts your cellular oxygenation. Your cells will have more energy to function correctly. This results in a higher metabolic rate, which means more calories are burned. Your skin and hair will also glow naturally from the water, which hydrates them. This results in a more attractive appearance and higher self-esteem. The natural tendency to eat more when you feel hungry is to eat more. This is a bad thing because it reduces your glucose, sugar reserves and also lowers your body temperature, your body's core temperature. Drinking lots of cold water can trick your brain into believing that there is still enough glucose, sugar, in your system to provide energy. Your brain will stop thinking you have to eat another meal. Drinking lots of cold water can trick your body into consuming fewer calories. Drinking water can help you lose weight. People report that water helps them avoid sunburns, cleanses their bodies, and keeps them calm. Drinking water that is unsweetened or cold can promote sleep and heart health. Drinking water to aid weight loss is a proven method that has many benefits. Another reason to drinking water to lose weight fast is because it hydrates the body. When you drink plenty of water, the skin and muscles become moist and flexible. The internal organs also get more robust. The internal organs are just like the parts of our bodies that we use most often. When they are strong and healthy, our organs work better and perform at their optimum level. You may have heard about how drinking water flushes out belly fat. Yes, this is true. As you probably know already, your belly fat stores lots of extra calories. Drinking lots of water can help break up this belly fat so that it is easier to burn it away. Another reason to drink water to lose weight fast is its ability to hydrate the skin and keep it soft and smooth. Did you know that drinking water can also relieve constipation? It does. so try to add more water to your diet. You can also add in a few glasses of water a day to help you relax. It is a relaxing beverage, after all. Some experts say that drinking water can even help you sleep better, resulting in a night of better quality sleep and day. Of course, you don't want to take any liquid diets to lose weight fast. There are too many unhealthy options out there, and you don't need to use these. Staying hydrated is not only good for your health but also your weight loss efforts. Dehydrated people are more prone to illness. And thirsty people aren't thirsting at all. So make sure to drink water when you feel thirsty, whether at a party or on a hike. Of course, you don't have to drink plain water if you don't want to. Many people like to use flavored water, especially when they are trying to lose weight fast or detoxify their bodies. The trick is to make sure that the flavorings are natural instead of artificial. You can choose from fruit flavors, great for weight loss, plain flavor, or even herbal water that tastes great. If you enjoy drinking tea or coffee, you will find that the added benefit of water already works to your advantage. If you keep drinking lots of water, you will start to notice that you feel less thirsty throughout the day. This is because water helps to lubricate your body, and it reduces the feeling of dryness. That means that you won't be dehydrated as often, and you will lose weight quicker. Drinking water to lose weight fast is the best way to lose pounds, whether you are trying to detoxify your body, lose weight, or feel better. Fluids can also help boost metabolism. Metabolism refers to the process by which food is converted into energy. The metabolism can be accelerated by any liquid, water, or juice. This is because the body burns more calories and fats if it has a faster metabolism. Your metabolism will be more active the more you consume. Water can also help to control our appetite. The primary purpose of water is to increase metabolism, which in turn will help you burn calories and fats. Did you know that even small amounts can help you lose weight? Yes, it is possible to lose weight even if you only drink small amounts of water. Yes. Even small amounts of water can regulate your appetite and help you control your food cravings. Drinking water is essential for staying hydrated. You will be able to do your best in any physical activity if you are well hydrated. Running, tennis, and jogging are all great physical activities. If one isn't well hydrated, it can be complicated to do these activities. Drinking water rather than coffee, tea, or any other caffeinated or alcoholic beverage can help to avoid dehydration. Caffeine will increase dehydration. Bloating and discomfort can be easily caused by dehydration. It can also lead to cramps or other stomach pain. Regular water intake can prevent bloating, despair, and other symptoms. All of it boils down to one thing. Drinking water helps you lose weight, hydrate, and regulate your appetites. It is essential to drink more water than the 8 glasses recommended daily. Freshly extracted rainwater is the best option. Because of its health benefits, rainwater is the best choice. The only chemicals in the water that come from nature are those that do not pose a threat to our health. Drinking calorie-free drinks like tea, juice, and vegetables can also increase our ability to burn calories. This allows our body to consume more calories while our body is trying to lose excess fat. This is actually one of the fastest ways to lose weight. Not all diet drinks are calorie-free. It is possible to gain weight by drinking diet drinks that contain caffeine. Weight loss issues can also be caused by sugar in diet drinks. It is crucial to carefully read labels. Drinking every day is impossible for many people. Try to limit your intake of sugar and caffeine. These drinks can be replaced with water. Water should be mixed with the appropriate sports medicine to increase its calorie burning capabilities. You can reach your weight loss goals in 3 months. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Also, see our other videos on this topic of the best healthy water benefits.